Tuesday's precise and important news. Numerous large overseas companies have requested to invest about $10 billion in various sectors. With the re-establishment of the Islamic Emirate, numerous major foreign companies have shown a willingness to invest around $10 billion in Afghanistan, with some companies have started the actual job already. ISKP chief killed in Kabul. The intelligence and military chief of a militant group called Islamic State Khorasan province was killed during an operation in Kabul. According to the operation details, 2 Daesh members were killed in an overnight operation against a cell on 1st Street of Shahraki Zakirin Khairkhana, Police District 17 of Kabul. Prominent Christian priest Hilarion Higi converts to Islam. A prominent Christian priest, Hilarion Higi, based in California, United States, converted to Islam and changed his name to Sayyid Abdul Latif. He adds that he has been in love with Islam for years. Entrance military exam held in Kabul. Thousands give an entrance exam for the police academy in National Defense University in Kabul. The head of the police academy, Major Hazrat Muhammad Mahmood, said that 2,200 volunteers have participated in the police academy exam, and from the number only 200 will be recruited in this academy after passing the exam successfully. Afghan General Counsel officially started his job in Istanbul of Turkey. The deputy spokesman for the Ministry of Foreign Affairs says that the diplomat sent by the Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan's Ministry of Foreign Affairs has officially started his work at the Consulate General of Afghanistan in Istanbul. ANSA returns imported fuel to the Iran due to quality issues. 9 fuel tankers carrying low-quality diesel and petrol were refused entry into Afghanistan and turned back to Iran in Herat province by the Afghanistan National Standards Authority. Kabul mayor met with hundreds of residents of Kabul. Kabul mayor Maulavi Abdul Rashid met with the residents of Kabul, listened to the problems of the residents and gave the necessary recommendation to the relevant officials to solve them.